Alright guys, so today we're gonna be focused on how you can duplicate a birthday flyer on Photoshop. I have this that I downloaded from Pinterest and I want to duplicate something like this for this man of God's birthday that we did. I think there's a prayer to do this on this channel. Okay, so I'll be using the same pictures from here and same everything from here. I'd like to use this one as my main picture. First of all, when you download the picture like a flyer that I want to duplicate, always ensure the resolution is at 300 and resolution is at 300. That is something I highly recommend. From there, let's start pasting the necessary information that is needed. So this information was already typed, so I would like just take the pictures, paste them and stuff like that and so forth and so on. So once the picture is set I'll be able to. Okay, I would like to use this picture as well for this side. Then we have to look for a clean one to put at the other side. There is one on this other picture, it's the main picture here. So I would like that we put this one in the middle and the major picture up. Then let's go now for the one by the sides. Okay, let's see all different colors since we only have this color and the other color at the other end. So as you guys have seen the way I'm doing it, you can apply same style for yours. The the main thing I loved so much from there was the positioning of what was there. So I'm trying to get my own feeling on the poster. Yeah. When designing like this, you must not lock yourself. Okay, you must not lock yourself. You have the responsibility to make yourself to be creative. It's very important. Voila. Isn't it making sense? Now, the difficult thing to do is the background. I would like to use this again. Before using it, always convert to smart object, which is left click and click on smart object and it's all. Then now you can carry it and you open it on Photoshop. Let it be above the pictures. This one is not good for me. Let's use the other one, this one here. Drag it and paste it on. So then we are gonna click Ctrl T, left click, rotate clockwise, then you can now drag it. Then click Ctrl J, Ctrl T, and flip it. Sometimes it's very difficult for me to do this. Voila, the horizontal is the perfect guide. Alright, let's see. Oh god. The other one is supposed to be like this. Let's put out text to 29. For the background, I'll still maintain this background, but we'll try to play some things completely different, okay? Because I want my background to be more of whitish. This will be normal. What I really want to do very well is pattern. The pattern now is showing very well. We'll reduce this again. Then now we're gonna spoil it. Now lens flare is gonna help us. I believe you already know how to place something, which is very important. We have something. You can My main focus is on the text. Most of the time, I'm very scattered when I finish it. Normally, it's advised that you learn how to do a normal picture. You want Hope it makes sense, right? Okay, let's export it.